Hey guys, it's Rob, the Barbecue Pit Dog channel. Hey, how's it going today? Hey, today is Saturday, college football day, and I couldn't think of a better day to let you know about the package that I received here recently from my main man, Phil in Florence. If you don't know Phil in Florence, check out a link to his channel, okay? Let me tell you what, Phil's got it going on. He's got it going on. And now, well, he has been for a while. He's even making his own barbecue sauces, and now he's making his own hot sauce. Guess what I got? Yeah, I'm bragging again. He sent me some of the world famous PIF barbecue sauce. Now, I've already tried this before. He sent me a bottle before. It's awesome. I was begging him for more. He sent me two. What do you think of that? And he sent me the brand new exclusive test of the PIF hot sauce. This is so new it doesn't even have a label yet. I tasted it. You know what? It's kind of sweet. It's really good, and then it's got a little bit of an after. You know what I mean? This stuff's pretty damn good. I like it, Phil. It's good. So I decided to make some sloppy joes. Not your typical sloppy joe. It's going to have some PIF sauce in it. All right. Mix in some veggies. Put a little shot of hot sauce on top when we taste it. So you guys hang on and check this out. This is how I make my sloppy joes. All right. Everybody knows that a sloppy joe uses some kind of ground beef. Well, I decided to grill my burgers or grill my ground beef. Put a little bit of the Uncle Steve's thick meat on there. That thick meat shake is good. Tell you what, this stuff is made exactly for beef. Now, I'm not going to cook these burgers Alright, the flyover's done it. I'll break out my Buckeye spatula here and gonna give these burgers a flip. I'm just trying to get a crust on there and get a little bit of that grill flavor to go in my sloppy joe. See that crust? Whoa, that's some money right there. Alright, I got some garlic olive oil heating up and some onion, green bell pepper, red bell pepper right in that garlic olive oil. Gonna cook it up a little bit here, just kind of soften it a little bit, 2-3 minutes. Break out some more of the Uncle Steve shake, some of the thick meat shake. Oh yeah, that stuff is awesome, man. Makes everything better, I'm telling you. Now here come them burgers. Now remember, they're not done. We're just gonna put them in the skillet here with our veggies and the jus that we have. Look at that. Wow. Alright. Now we're going to bust these burgers up. Get all those flavors mixing together in that skillet. Now I got some tomato paste. Now here's a little pro tip. You take the top off. Check it out. And then you open the bottom and just push the bottom clear through. And voila. It all comes out. What do you think of that? You give it a stir, get that tomato paste mixed all in there, kind of helps combine. And here's the star of the show, the PIF barbecue sauce. All right, I'm gonna put a big old shot in there. I ended up using about a cup, about 1 cup of sauce. Might seem like a lot, but it's gonna cook down and thicken up. Gonna add a little tablespoon of sugar. Kind of balance out the sweetness or balance out the the vinegar, and I don't know, it just makes it good. Now we got some grilled buns here. We're gonna load it up, and I don't know about you, but when I was a kid, we put potato sticks on our sloppy joes. So here comes some potato sticks on there. That's the way you gotta have them. And then here is the new PIF hot sauce. Gonna load these bad boys up with some hot sauce. Oh yeah, it's going to be spicy and tangy and delicious.
Now slap the lids on these bad boys. And here is my sloppy joes. What do you think? With the PIF barbecue sauce and the PIF hot sauce? Oh man, are you serious?
All right, it's time to taste this bad boy. There's no taste test involved. This is just chowing down. Are you serious? I got them tater sticks on top. Wow, let me show you. I don't know, I'm trying to get it up there for you. There we go. All right, here we go. Man, you have never, ever, ever had a sloppy joe like this. Take that tomato sauce and throw it out the backyard, man. Use your favorite barbecue sauce and make your sloppy joes. And I got them tater sticks on there, tater sticks. Did you have them when you were a kid? I always did. Thank you so much, Phil. I really appreciate. I love your sauce, and the hot sauce is awesome on here too. It just spices it up a little bit. You don't even really taste it on here, but afterwards you get that little bit of burn, which is what I love. This is freaking awesome, man. Are you serious? This is the best sloppy joe I've ever had. So I just want to say thanks to Phil and Florence. Make sure you check Phil out, okay? The information will be down below, up here, you know, all over the place. You know where it's at. Just go see Phil if you don't know Phil. And if you do know Phil, go tell him, hey man, that sauce must be pretty damn good because Rob made some killer freaking sloppy joes. Are you kidding me? Oh man, these are good. I wish I had somebody to share this with, but you know, oh, I do have somebody. I just thought, I got my boy Duke over there. So I'll tell you what, I just want to say thanks for watching the Barbecue Pit Dog channel. I'm going to give Duke the rest of this one. Until next time, y'all take care.